If you're looking for something natural to deal with ticks and bugs as a repellent, you've stopped at the right place. You are going to love this natural recipe that works amazing to repel, whether it's ants, it could be mosquitoes, those ticks as well. This is a natural remedy that works, and I have used it for years. Amazing, amazing. Okay, let's mix this up. So all you're going to need is some citronella essential oil. Now this is interesting because the Environmental Protection Agency, the EPA, has now deemed this as an official bug repellent, and of course it's all natural. So you're going to use 10 drops of this. I like to mix this in a glass little dish, 10 drops of that citronella essential oil. And then we're going to use some peppermint essential oil. So 10 drops of peppermint essential oil. Really, those bugs do not like that peppermint smell, and it can be very irritating to them. So 10 drops of that. Then we're also using 10 drops of eucalyptus essential oil, and another smell that those pests simply do not like. And then we're adding in 50 mLs of Witch Hazel. Now, if you don't have Witch Hazel, I do encourage that you get some, but if you don't have it, you could also use water in this recipe. But I prefer the Witch Hazel, it just seems to have a more lasting effect. You're gonna use 50 mLs of that Witch Hazel into your solution, and then there you go. Now, some alternate essential oils that you could use: lemon essential oil, lavender as well, also equally as effective, but do make sure that you have that citronella in there, okay? Really powerful. And all you're gonna do is pour it into, I have these little funnel things, into your spray bottle. Now with essential oils, ideally you have a glass container. However, if you're traveling with this, that may not be as, great as using plastic, although my thoughts on plastic. So if you can find a glass one, much better. And there you have it, your own natural bug spray. And it smells amazing. So it has a really nice fresh smell. Of course, you're gonna spray on all your exposed parts. I like to spray my clothing as well, especially if I'm gonna be out in the woods. And make sure that you're getting around your ankles, that, common place to get a tick bite. You can also use this spray in your home as well to deter some other little critters, those creepy crawlies. It works amazing. Now, if you have been bitten by a tick or another little critter, there are certain signs and symptoms that could be a little bit more dangerous. So I want you to learn about that in my other video, Tips for Ticks. I'll see you there.